Introducing the new Winplus LED Ceiling Light. This light is a motion-activated, remote-controlled LED light. It is a perfect addition or replacement for your current standard ceiling lights. The Winplus LED Ceiling Light is perfect for laundry rooms, hallways, bedrooms, bathrooms, or wherever you need additional light. The intelligent motion sensor will turn on automatically when movement is detected. Using the remote, you can adjust the distance that the sensor is triggered by. The motion sensor can also be turned off, and the light can be controlled from a wall switch or the remote. Using the remote, the color temperature of the light can be adjusted, ranging from warm, relaxing 2700 Kelvin to daylight cool 5000 Kelvin. Brightness of the light can also be changed. Simply use the remote to control the light from 10% to 100% brightness. Other features include an ambient light sensor, which will keep the light off during the day and allow the light to turn on at night. Auto shut off will turn the light off after 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 30 minutes after no motion is detected. To quickly dim the light, press the night mode button and your light will instantly dim to 20% brightness. To install the light, remove your current ceiling light fixture and use the pre-existing wiring setup. Consult a qualified electrician if you have any electrical questions or concerns. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below or contact customer support. Information is in the description.